Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Svelto Performance. Today it's not about cars, but it's a place that cars will be. We are finally getting the Svelto quarters built. Right now you see everything's formed. We've got the rock in. They're going to come next week. Today is Tuesday, I think. Yes, Tuesday. They're coming next week to go ahead and pour for the pad itself, and then we're going to start erecting the building itself. But we've got tons of space, as you can see, working on some other goodies down there. And then again, this is about a 2,400 square foot garage. Great land that we have found and we are on. Super excited. Let's flip over and I'll show you the garage itself. All right, guys, make sure I don't kill myself here. So here we go. Get up in here. Let me show you here. So this is 2,400 square feet. Right now, it just looks like a flat piece of land with some wood around it and gravel, but they're going to be pouring next week. So let me back out and I'll show you. So there's going to be, and I'll probably pull up the pictures here and I'll put a picture or two in here in the video, but this is going to be let's scroll out a little bit. This is going to be a 4-car garage, bay garage, so 4 doors. And then over here on this first door, this is where the lift is going to be, the one that you see in all the videos right now. So there we go. So that's going to be sitting, oops, my hand there. That's going to be here. And then we're going to have other bays. We're going to have a restroom. We're going to have a place to store some stuff. But my vision is to have all the working stuff here. So the lift is going to be over here. And then we're going to have all of my tools here, but I want to run the length of this. Let's see if I can go out a little bit more. I want to run the length of this with toolboxes, with workspace. You know, right now I struggle with where I'm at now to have any space to put things and weld and all that. I'm welding on metal chairs and all kinds of stuff, just trying to make it all work. So here we're going to have along the end, the back side of this building, this is where all the tools and workbenches and everything's going to go. We're standing here in the lift area, and then we're going to have our other bays here, and that'll hold, you know, a few of the cars. But this is just going to give me a very, very nice place to finally be able to really, truly work and do a lot of cool things, a lot of cool projects. Matter of fact, I just had a potential person reach out to me that wants me to restore their, I think it's a 67 or 68 Julia Sprint GT into a race car, a full restoration. So we'll see how that goes, but this will be a perfect space for it. And then there's some other areas down there that we're working on, some really cool things. But there you have it. Just wanted to give you a really short view, a really short video, I would say, on the property and what we're doing. And I'm super excited. A lot of new videos are going to be coming out of here. I can't tell you how excited I am and looking forward to creating a lot of cool content. All right, there you have it. Garage update. Super excited. I'll kind of pan out here a little bit, as you can see one more time. Some cool content's going to be made in this building here. Look forward to you guys coming along for the ride. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell. It helps out. Hit your notification buttons. We're going to now really start giving some really cool updates on the garage as it's being built. Again, they're going to come back next week. They're going to pour concrete here. Then they're going to start framing the building. So super excited. Guys, again, like, subscribe, ring the bell, hit the notification button, and God bless.